Hi there, hi everyone, welcome to today on Thursday. It's Thursday, July the 14th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a Sudoku Medium. We have here, the publisher has published a new additional. Let me show you. We have a new summer additional with only 4 Sudokus. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a tectonic with 4 stars. And the other puzzles are crossword puzzles. Yeah, here, the whole page. Crossword puzzles. So only 4 extra puzzles for Sudokus. I will solve those Sudokus and also the regular Sudoku. The regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. Let me start with the medium Sudoku. And this will be number 4849, I believe. Yes, 4849. Let me position the camera and we can start with the puzzle. Alright, 4849. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. 27 if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. This will be a 1 star, and for a 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. A lot of 7s. Let me start with the 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column in between. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Oh, wait. Okay, I cannot continue with the 7. That's a shame. How about the 6 in the last row? 6. Oh wait, here 6 and a 9 in the last row. 6 and a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As appears, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 3, 4, 3, 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Okay. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Oh no. No. Let me see. Yeah. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. The column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here the 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Yeah. 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 Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well. Then. Yeah, then. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Then we have a no, not up here. Come on, 2. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 7, 7. 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in this row. No 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this last row. 8 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the middle column. So no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. Come on. 1. Okay, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column. Last column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then yeah. Then a 3. Right. I'm thinking. Come on. 3. 2 numbers left in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. 2 and a 1. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 8, 1 box left in the last column. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8. Oh, sorry. For the 4. Yeah, not for the 8, for the 4. Goes in this box. Almost made a mistake. We already have an 8 here. Yeah, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the middle, second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, okay. Cannot continue with the 2. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the third row. So no 2 there. Here 2 in the second row. No 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in the third column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. Now we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 in the more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. A little bit slower than I expected, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles in the additional, summer additional. Yes, it's a summer additional. So a lot of crossword puzzles, but not a lot of Sudokus. Until then, bye-bye for now.